So hello friends, in today's video I'm going to explain you the types of joint with their examples. So let's begin the video. There are three types of joint. First one is fibrous joint. The second one is cartilaginous joint. And the last one is synovial joint. So the fibrous joint is composed of dense connective tissue, and the cartilaginous joint is composed by cartilages. And the last one is synovial joint, which is composed of synovial cavity and dense irregular connective tissue. Now we will see the fibrous joint have three divisions. The first one is sutures. The second one is syndesmosis. And the third one is introsseous membrane. Next we will see the divisions of cartilaginous joint. They have two divisions. The first one is synovial, and the second one is symphysis. Next we will see the types of synovial joint. There are 6 types. First one is gliding joint. The second one is hinge joint, and third one is pivot joint. And the fourth one is condyloid joint. And the fifth one is saddle joint. And the last one is ball and socket joint. So next we are going to see the examples of these joints. First of all, the sutures. The sutures are found in between the bones of the skull. And the syndesmosis connects the tibia and fibula. Next, the intersmosis membrane, which connects the radius and ulna. In the forearm. So next we will see the cartilaginous joint, the types of cartilaginous joint. So first of all, we will see the synchondrosis cartilage. It is a joint in which the connecting membrane is hinge cartilage, which is hyaline cartilage, and the synchondrosis is responsible for the growth of the bone. It is found in the bones in the form of epiphyseal plate, which is also called as growth plate. And next we will see the symphysis. The symphysis is that cartilaginous joint in which the end of the articulating bone are covered by hyaline cartilage, and it is mainly found in the joints of the two pubic bone of the hip bones. So we can say that the symphysis connects the two pubic bone and next we will see the types of synovial joint. First of all, I would like to tell you the synovial joint. The synovial joint have the certain characteristics that distinguish from the other joint the presence of space between the synovial cavity, and from that synovial cavity there is a secretion of synovial fluid. So next we will see the types of synovial joint. The first one is gliding joint. The gliding joint includes the joint between the carpals bones in the wrist and the tarsal bones in the foot and in between the process of the spinal vertebra. The next synovial joint is hinge joint, which is found in the knee, ankle and the joint between phalanges and toes. The next one is pivot joint. The example of the pivot joint is head. The head rotates by the help of pivot joint. The next one is condyloid joint. The example of condyloid joint is mandible and temporal bones. The next one is saddle joint. The example of the saddle joint is thumb, the joint of the thumb. And the last one is ball and socket joint. It is named so because the head of the bone is ball shaped and it articulates with the cup shaped socket of another bone. And the example of the ball and socket joint is shoulder and ribs. So next I would like to explain you more about the cartilaginous joint and fibrous joint. There is two common things in between the two joints. The first one is there is a lacking of synovial joint in the fibrous joint and cartilaginous joint, and they both allow their bones to little movement or no movement. So the video ends with it only. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe and hit the like button for more updated videos. Thank you.